In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel subscriptions in Stripe efficiently and without any hassle. Whether you're managing your personal account or handling this for a business, understanding how to properly navigate the cancellation process will help you stay organized and avoid unnecessary charges. This simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe website, stripe.com. Once you're there, look toward the upper right corner of the page and click the Sign In button. If you're not already logged in, enter your email and password carefully to make sure there are no errors during login. After entering your credentials, click Sign In again. If you've set up two-factor authentication, Stripe will ask you to verify your identity using a security code sent to your email or phone. Enter that code to continue. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll land on your Stripe dashboard. This is the main control center for your account. From here, locate and click on the Billing section. Depending on your dashboard layout, this option may appear on the sidebar or under the main menu. Next, go to the Subscriptions section. Here, you'll find a list of all active subscriptions linked to your account. Carefully review the list and identify the customer or subscription you want to cancel. Verifying these details is important, especially if you manage multiple clients or payment plans. After selecting the correct subscription, you'll see an option that says Cancel Subscription or an X icon next to the subscription. Click it to start the cancellation process. A confirmation prompt will appear, giving you choices for when the subscription should end, for example, immediately or at the end of the current billing cycle. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Before finalizing, take a moment to review your decision. When ready, click Confirm Cancellation. Once confirmed, Stripe will cancel the subscription according to your selected time frame. To make things smoother, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you're logged into the correct Stripe account. It's also a good idea to notify your customer if this cancellation affects them. This helps maintain transparency and trust. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to cancel any subscription in Stripe quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.